What do we say?
What's happening? We're just working on our exhaust, getting everything routed past the X. Got to get back in here. I'm trying to tuck it up
Right.
in the drive shaft tunnel as far as possible, which will give us more muffler clearance.
Right.
I think this is going to be plenty good. I mean, it's like an 1/8 inch from the cross member on both sides, so it's as tight as it's going to go. So I'm going to get this welded up here. I'm going to put more tacks on this, and I'm going to get us built back to here,
Right.
so then we can measure for mufflers and figure out what we're going to do exactly, which we talked about with Ken.
Right.
And then once we have that handled, if I have to put a 45 or whatever in here for the mufflers, depending on how we want them,
Mm-hmm.
we can do so. So I got that going, and then once I get this kind of tacked to where I want it, back to where the mufflers are going to be, I can pull this out completely and weld all of it up. So that's done back to where the mufflers are. And then we can get back on AC because we've got the rest of our components for the AC. We're just waiting on the number 6 hose to show up.
Okay.
We're almost out.
Do we have that flange for the wall?
Yes, it came
Okay.
today. We'll do a little clip. I'll do a clip on that in a little bit. But let me get back to this.
Yeah, you get back to that. I'll get back to what I'm doing, and yeah.
Oh, hang on. Get it.
I am. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, Bobby's welding. That is an extremely bright light, and I don't want to ruin my camera. So, what do we say, Bobby?
Stare into the blue light.
Stare into the light, man.
Yeah.